Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhaskar Blockchain Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most common SQL Server connections error that many beginners and database professionals encounter while connecting to SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS. So what is the error? The error message displayed on the screen is, see, error messages when you connect to the SSMS, so you'll get an error message. So just wait for a minute. See this error. A network related or instance specific error occurred while establishing a connection to SQL Server. The server was not found or was not accessible. Verify that the instance names is correct and the SQL Server is configured to allow remote connections. Okay, so here see network interfaces error 26. Okay, this is the error message. So if you are facing this issue and are unable to connect to your SQL Server instance, don't worry. In this video, I will explain what this error means, why it occurs, and step-by-step method to fix it. By the end of the video, you will be able to successfully connect to your SQL Server instance without any issues. So friend, let's get started. So first of all, you have to understand this error, why this error is occurring. Okay. So SQL network interfaces error 26. Here you can see SQL network interfaces error 26. Okay, and locating server instances specified Microsoft SQL Server. So this error occurs when SQL Server Management Studio cannot find the SQL Server instance that you are trying to connect to. Okay, so SSMS is trying to connect this one to this one. This is the computer name, server name. See, server name first is the computer name and second is the instance name. Okay, so actually SSMS is trying to connect to this instance, but it cannot locate that SQL Server instance on the machine or network. Okay, so how to check, friends? I'll show you how to check the server name. This is computer name. Okay, this is the computer name. To check the computer name, first you have to go to system informations. Here system name is there, right? This is the computer name. This is the my name. Okay, here you can find the computer name. So check whether it is computer name is correct or not. Okay, then you have to check instance name. Instance names where you will get when you install the SQL Server, right? That at that time you have to give the instance name and all. Okay, so you have to check in service also. I'll show you. So why does this error occur? Because there are several reasons behind error 26. Okay, so first of all, it may be incorrect computer name, okay, or instance name. Okay, this is the most common reasons. So already I told you, friends, if you do some typo mistakes, okay, then also it may occur. And second is SQL Server is not running. SQL Server service is not running. So second instance we are going now. You can see that services. We go to services. Here you can see SQL Server, whether the service is running or not. You have to check. Okay, SQL Server, this one, see, SQL Server, this one. Okay, so the status is not running. Okay, it is not running. You can see here it is stopped, it is not running. Okay, this may be the reason. So we'll start running. Okay, I'll start it afterwards. So let me explain this first. So this is the one of the reasons. Okay, and third reason, what may be like TCP IP protocol is disabled. Where you can check the TCP IP protocol. For that you have to go to SQL Server, this one, configuration manager. Okay, So open this guys. First you have to check here, you can check it first, this one SQL Server is stopped. Here also you can see, you can start from here also, right? It is stopped. That's why it is that error we are getting, this error. Next you have to check this SQL Server network configuration. Here you can see protocol for these instances, TCP IP is disabled. It is disabled. So this is one of the issues. Okay, so once you start these services, first you have to start these services, then automatically it will start running TCP IP, that protocol automatically start running. So main issue is here only guys, SQL Server for this only. Okay, so these are the some reasons, right? And sometimes what happen, next is remote connections are disabled. Suppose if you are connecting from another computer, SQL Server must allow remote connections. Okay, if it doesn't allow, then also it SSMS it will show this error. Okay, and SQL Server instance not installed. Sometimes user try connecting to an instance that doesn't actually exist. Okay, this is already I have shown you. If you go to this is called instance, right? Because of this also, if it doesn't means server SQL Server instance not installed, then also we will get this error. Okay, so you have to verify all this whether it is installed or not. And sometimes it may happen due to network connectivity issue also. Okay, because of this also this error occur. So guys, these are the some steps. So now we'll see how to start. So to start this one, so what I have to do first, see here it is stopped, right? You have to go here on top SQL Server, this one. Okay, start it. It is starting now. See, you can see now it is running, right? Status is running now. So when you go to SSMS, now try to connect it. See, connection is successful now. Okay, so I can work now. It is successful. Okay, so I just want to let you know one more thing. So after doing all the steps, if you are still unable to resolve the issues, okay, still that error occurs, then you can do one thing, check the SQL Server version. So it may be older version also, 2022 or older, like that. Okay, so check the SQL Server, also SSMS also, you check it. Okay, so update the latest version, uninstall the previous one and reinstall the latest one. So definitely that issue will be it will be resolved. So I think guys, this video is helpful for you. If this video help you resolve SQL Server error 26, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon for more SQL Server database administration and data engineering tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.